This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Attach the flap a normal amount block to the when click event, then press run. Okay, so here's my when click event, right? It's something that will start code when we hit run. Click or tap on the play space to move Flappy to the target. Okay, so attach flap a normal amount block to the when click. Flap a normal amount and click run. Now, what's going to happen here? Notice nothing starts, and nothing starts because computers will only and always do what we tell them to. And I have not told that bird to move. And my code, I said, okay, bird, you can move, right? Flap a normal amount, but only when I click. I clicked run, but when click isn't when run, right? It's when click. So I actually have to click. Wow. Ooh, there's a target. Ooh. We did it! Awesome. Onward.